People often confuse the wildfire litigation that our firm handles with class actions because we represent a lot of people that are damaged by the same wildfire. It's referred to as a mass action, which rhymes with class action, but class actions aren't appropriate for wildfires. Class actions are only appropriate when everything's the same for each of the claimants, and in the wildfire litigation, damages are different. They're different for each person, and so each person's claim should be individually litigated. A good example of something appropriate for a class action would be, remember when the iPhone had a defective battery? It cost $40 to get your battery replaced. So one person could bring a representative action on behalf of all iPhone owners, and everybody gets their $40. They replace their battery and go on their way. Here, in a wildfire case, even neighbors, houses next to each other, their damages are still different because their houses are a little bit different. It affects them differently. And so it's not appropriate for a class action or a representative action. How we pursue wildfire litigation, we represent every person individually. Every person has their own individual claims, and we resolve the damages on their behalf individually. Now, because everybody was damaged by the same fire, that's why it's a mass action. They usually get consolidated in front of one judge for the purpose of liability. If they don't get settled, they would have individual trials, and they usually get resolved individually in separate mediations.